Look at this spider. Mommy! It's a big spider! I can't handle spiders. I'm gonna kill it with this. I'm gonna kill it with this peanut jar. I'm gonna kill it with this. It lifted its legs at me. I don't think that's gonna work. Let me throw this cup at it. Maybe I'll leave. Ew, Tucky. Eat it. Eat it, eat it, eat it! Ew! Ew! Ew, it's stuck. Ah! Ah! Ew! Thank you very much. Ah, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Put back out. I think I got it. Ew! Its legs are sticking out! Ew! I can't! I think I killed it. Tucky, you want to check? I'm not lifting up this cup. No. Ah! Get out of here! There we go. It's fully living. I didn't hurt it. It's gonna bite me. I think it's gonna bite me. Yes, I think it's gonna bite me. I killed it! No! Darn it! I killed it. Here it is. I still didn't kill it, mate. Scary. Your face is scaring me. What are you playing? That was scary. Is it gone? Darn it! I'll stop at you. No! Get up. It's under that cup. Tucky. It's under this cup. I'm going to lift it up. I want it to bounce out at me. There it is. It's a daddy long leg. Nathan, he's blowing in it. What? It's dead. Yeah, I think it's dead. Ew, dead bird. Ugly, that's ugly. There's some videotaping that up on us. Tucky, it's a squirrel. I just said, Tucky, it's a squirrel. Tucky, it's a squirrel! Yes, from my ball of fluff? Yes, 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 Tucky, you see that? Dork. Laying out the beautiful sun. Gotta go.